Hello students, our today's topic is advertisement. So firstly, what is an advertisement? An advertisement is a kind of public notice asking for or offering services or buying and selling properties, goods, etc. or providing information about missing person, pets, etc. So an advertisement is a public notice which offers us any good or service or any property, etc. It also gives us some information. What are the characteristics of advertisement? They are categorized into column according to different classes. The category is stated at the top. When you see a newspaper, there you can see a classified advertisement that are categorized into column and a heading is given to it. For example, if heading is property, you will find short advertisement of buying or selling of properties. Second, they are written in short, catchy phrases and words. For example, if you see a Kutch tourism advertisement, you will find a catchy phrase written on it, that is, if Kutch is not seen, nothing is seen. So advertisement always has a catchy phrase or words. Third, the language used is simple, factual and formal. As the advertisement is seen by all the people, like educated or uneducated, so the language should be simple. As we don't have any personal connection with the public, so it should be formal. Fourth is they are short, concise and to the point. Advertisement should be short and not lengthy, and it must be to the point. No extra information like manufacturer, producer's address or contact number is necessary. So it should be to the point. Fifth is all the relevant information is provided. You should always must provide important informations in the advertisement. Sixth, contact name and address is given. The person who is preparing an advertisement should give their name and address. Last one is they are written in a box to attract attention. So whenever you are drafting an advertisement, you should always keep it in a box as it looks very attractive. Now types of advertisement. There are two types of advertisement, that is classified and commercial. As you can see in the picture, this is classified advertisement which you come across daily while reading a newspaper. You can see headings are given and a lot of advertisements are under it. And this is commercial advertisement which you see in the hoardings or boards. Classified advertisement are not colorful and it is very short. There are no pictures, whereas commercial advertisement has pictures and it is very colorful. Commercial advertisement attract more people than classified advertisement. So you have to prepare only commercial advertisement, will understand classified in other classes. See an example, you are going to open a new mobile shop, draft an advertisement. So firstly you need to give name of your shop, that is Phones NU. I have given this name. You can provide any name you like. Then you can draw a phone on one side. Then you have to give details like hurry up, offer valid till 13 Feb 2021. You can give any date. Then flat 20% off. Any offers like first 20 customers will get a free SD card. Huge discount on mobile accessories, earphone just at 99, mobile cover just at 99 rupees. Then you can give details of which companies do you have, which companies of phones do you have, like Samsung, Oppo, Vivo, iPhone, OnePlus, etc. And the most important detail, that is address of your shop. You have to give it and mobile number. You can add more details. Second is draft an advertisement for selling shampoo. So name of the shampoo. Then you have to provide its features like 100% strong hair, silky and smooth hair. It reduces hair fall, reduces dandruff, etc. Then as you have seen, the rate is written and it is cut down and just for rupees 180. 200 is cut down and written just for 180. Then you can draw shampoo, that is Kesh King, or you can provide its quantity. Hurry up, offer till stocks last. I hope it's clear. Here explanation of advertisement gets over.